have some key updates for you from Debre Tabor front. Almost 48 hours ago, TPLF allied news sources claimed that Tigray Defense Forces had entered Debre Tabor city. They had entered the outskirts of Debre Tabor city, but after that, we saw statements, we saw claims from Amhara news sources that TDF had suffered heavy losses on Debre Tabor front. Now we have some updates from this front. Firstly, viewers, some pictures have been shared from TPLF supporters. It is being claimed on the basis of these pictures that Tigray Defense Force is inside Debre Tabor city. These pictures are not from the inside of Debre Tabor city. Have a look at these pictures. You can see TDF fighters standing in front of Debre Tabor University, Guna, Tana. These pictures were shared with me as well by some TPLF supporters. It is being shared on social media platforms as well. These pictures are not from Debre Tabor city. These pictures are from Abu Zet. Abu Zet is situated 21 kilometers away from Debre Tabor towards Nifas Micha. So these pictures are not an evidence that Tigray Defense Force has entered Debre Tabor city. This place, Abu Zet, is 21 kilometers away from Debre Tabor city. Secondly, viewers, we have some official statements from Amhara side now. Not statements, claims from Amhara news sources, but we have official statements from Amhara Police Commissioner, Regional Commissioner, and Deputy Commissioner. They are claiming that 4 Waradas have been taken by Amhara forces in North Wollo, and Gashina has been taken by Amhara forces according to official sources. Now, I just want to clarify that these are not claims from Amhara news sources. These are official statements from Amhara police officers that Gashina has been taken by Amhara police force, Amhara regional forces. Gashina is strategically very important, viewers. Have a look at this map. You can see Gashina on this map. If Gashina is taken by Amhara forces, it means that supply line of Tigray Defense Force positioned near Nifas Micha and near Debre Tabor, this supply line will be cut off. Official sources of Amhara state are confirming that Gashina is under the control of Amhara forces. It's a huge development. We don't have any visual confirmation, no pictures, videos from Gashina. But since it's an official statement from Amhara Regional Police Commissioner, we cannot reject it, viewers. Because Debre Tabor front is being treated by Amhara forces as a do or die front. They know that if TDF manages to take control of Debre Tabor and Varata, Gondar Bahida road will be cut off. Therefore, heavy fighting is underway. It's the deadliest fighting inside Amhara region since TDF started its offensive on Amhara region. And most of the sources are confirming that now this front, Debre Tabor front, it is the deadliest front in terms of the intensity of ongoing fighting. It's not that Tigray Defense Force is in full control of this entire front and they are sweeping across this front towards Debre Tabor city. No, they are faced with very stiff resistance. Amhara Special Forces, regional forces, Ethiopian National Defense Forces have launched a counter-offensive, and TDF is faced with very strong resistance from forces, from locals as well. We discussed that in a previous video, that resistance faced on this front is going to be much more than Vuldia front. Vuldia is in North Wallo. There we saw on Vuldia front as well that it took TDF more than 2 weeks to enter Vuldia city because locals took to the streets of Vuldia. Here again, locals, regional forces, Ethiopian National Defense Forces, they are fighting. They do not want to surrender. It's the test of TDF's military capabilities. Because can they reach Varata or not? Reportedly, shelling is also being carried out on Debre Tabor city. Very expected because now Debre Tabor is within artillery range of TDF. If TDF is in the outskirts of the city, or if TDF is near Avozet, it means it can easily target Debre Tabor city. So shelling is being carried out, small scale shelling so far. TDF is trying to advance towards Debre Tabor city, but Gashina. If Gashina has been taken by Amhara forces, it would be a huge blow to Tigray Defense Force. Coming hours very crucial for TDF viewers. Amhara news sources say that TDF supply line has been cut off, and TDF contingents between Gashina and Debre Tabor are trapped. They can neither take control of Debre Tabor nor can they go back to Gashina, and they'll be either taken prisoner or killed. Amhara news sources yesterday claimed that Amhara forces had taken prisoner more than 2,000 TDF fighters. We haven't seen any pictures, any videos so far. But yesterday's claims were made by Amhara news sources. Today's claim about Gashina, it's being made by official sources of Amhara region. That is why we cannot reject this claim as a rumor. It seems this front is going to decide the fate of TDF's offensive on Amhara region. If somehow TDF managed to take control of Varata and Debre Tabor, it will be over. It will be partially over for Amhara region. But if Amhara region succeeded in pushing back TDF from Debre Tabor, from Gashina, it could be a blow to TDF's offensive on Amhara state. Thanks for watching.